Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the post-market analysis. Today is Thursday, and it's May 9th, 2024. Right now it's 10:22 at night. So looking at the market, um, it's interesting to see that what happened last night. So last night, essentially, it's kind of it's working in some way is like start off like a drifting down, and it seems like it's not able to hold up. So what happened there is that it really kind of drift down to if I go back to look at the SPX level, it's really at around this 51.71 level. So it's down by about like from the top here to down here is about like I think that like a 16 or like about 17 points, and then from there and basically just kind of come right back, rolling back, and it opened. I have to say it opened pretty strong, and when it was able to come back here, it opened really strong, and with the market coming back like this, I would say, of course, if you look at the chart that I have, like once it passed this area, it seems like it's going back up and pretty solid going up here, despite it penetrate sometimes down this zone, but it did not quite say like a close down that zone. So if we look at here, in a way it feel like a pretty choppy, but it's somewhat kind of narrow and steadily going up here, and we could look further here. So it's I know though, like I say overnight, say in the morning, when you get up, you look at, oh my gosh, market came down this much, and what did what did I say last night about it? That's completely going to be not true. But it seems that market is on its path, and indeed it is kind of trying to hit this like a 52.19 level, and yeah, it went back. It went above here, and I think people might feel like whether the market going to charge and immediately charge to, like I say, the all-time high. What I see tomorrow is that market seems to continuously being cautious, optimistic. That's how I feel about it. And as we know, the market here and it like the future market looks like pretty, in a way, pretty upbeat. And right now it seems like that kind of turning somewhat kind of negative. So I won't be surprised it's coming back down a bit here, and including even retesting like this 5200 level. Now, I would say the very important level to look at is this 51.97 and 85. And if say it push down here and then it stayed below 5200, then tomorrow may be different kind of game. It probably going to come back down to this 51. This pretty much would be this 51 78 ish. So it will come back to this level. If say it's not able to come like a hold up there. So that's one scenario, and I think the another scenario is more like market basically is continuously going to go up, and if we remember Monday, this Monday is a gap up, and how the market participants are going to think about that for next week. So I personally would tend to see it going up on, we'll be playing the game, touching the all-time high tomorrow, and very likely. The fact is that today it closed really, really strong, and it's as you can see, it's already kind of close. What I recall is a 52.10 is one important level in the past. What I recall, I think I mentioned that in the past. It's once it was a pretty important level, and today it was close above that. And when we think about it, today also closed at the high of the day, really pretty much at the highest of the today. And as long as tomorrow it's be able to stay above this 51.98, let's say 5200, then it should be kind of going to attempt this 5250 level. For sure, the first you need to get over this 5230 level first. But once after that, likely it would go another 20 points to 15. Then yeah, it could be a little bit kind of crazy tomorrow. We shall see. The reason I said that is the range of this week is relatively, I would say, narratively narrow. It's every day is like probably like a 20 some point, 30 point, 20 some point, and it's been pretty quiet. So will tomorrow continue to be pretty quiet and like a kind of a chopping? It looks to me this is kind of like a trending, and it's like a chopper for 2 days already here. So it could continue marching on tomorrow and here to finish the week. That's my take on it. Again, two scenario, and that's what I see. Of course, well, the one scenario is coming down. If we cannot hold on to 5200 and could come back down to this 5178 level. And another scenario would be going up and very likely going to hit this 5250 level. And of course, there's always a third scenario. It may just getting everyone very excited, getting up to this 5230 level, and then got blocked, and then probably coming back all the way down to this 5200, and we don't know where it's going to close. It could be coming all the way down here, or maybe chopping around and closing at around this 5200 level. And I don't know. I mean, just play as the market kind of show its hands. And the best probably don't think too much. But I personally I would say these are the important level, and as long as we pay attention to it, and it should be fun. And on the upside, if we can kind of go above this 5219, and that would be very good sign. And that should be kind of shooting for another 10 points up move. And after that, if we could stay there, it would continue on, that would be another 20 points move there, or even 30 points or more. I believe it's going to be exciting tomorrow, and That's how I feel. Going back over to the calendar, and tomorrow is Friday, and geez, I got like okay, I got it now. So first one is like at 9 o'clock. It's a Fed Bowman speech, and then 10 o'clock have the Michigan consumer sentiment data, inflation expectation, and so it sounds like this could be a market moving thingy at 10 o'clock, and then it's 12:30 12 o'clock. This WASDE report. Oh no, I have not really kind of bought kind of a retail, well, executive report, but just knowing that at 12 o'clock there's one report coming out there. 12:45 that's a speech from Fed Goolsbee, and then 1 o'clock have a Baker Hughes oil rig count, and then 1:30 another speech from Fed Bar. So yeah, those two, and I would say market don't really care what they said. I think there is whatever that's already been said should have already been said about today. I remember there are two or three like speeches, Fed speech today as well. So and then 2 o'clock is the last one, which is a monthly budget statement. So those are the calendar, and so that's all I have to share with everyone. I wish you all the best, and may the energy be with you all time. Thank you.